100% polyester. Imported. UA Storm technology delivers an element-battling, highly water-repellent finish. Tough, TPU-coated foam-lined bottom side panels for added durability structure. Dual water bottle slip pocket. Large vented pocket for laundry or shoes. Internal slip pockets for organization. Large front zippered organization pocket. Molle webbing attachment points. Removable, padded, HeatGear shoulder strap easily stows away inside pocket. Padded top grab handle. Dimensions when full, 14.5 W x 14.1 H x 29.5 L. Volume, 101 L. Top reviews from the United States. Bigger than expected. I packed my son for a week of camping. 14 outfits, 4 PJs, 2 hoodies, a pair of jeans, 2 pairs of shoes, hygiene bag, 2 towels, sheets and a pillow. All the clothes were a men's large and shoes size 13 in men's. After teen camp the bag still looks good. He has used it on 2 camping trips. Too big for a weekender.